So May the 6th, I pulled one frame out of here so you can see what's going on. I can move them around. If I blow on this, you can see the bees are just starting to make some drones between frames. If I lift this frame up carefully, we'll see that queen down here, 2021 queen, overwintered, minding their own business. This is the lower box. If we skip along, just assessing, see how much brood there is. I've picked through here and seen that the brood extends down into the center of the bottom box, and all told there's about one solid area's frame's worth of brood, and I know there's another 1.5 to 2 in the top. So that's pretty much all I need to know. The queen's made it. I checked out that there's some honey left. That center frame is about half full. This outside frame is got, if you can see this is solid pollen. Not believing in messing around with pollen patties. I think we do pretty well for pollen here, at least I do in my area. So all I need to do with this is I'm just going to close this back together. I'm going to scrape this bottom box, the top of the frames of the bottom box. I'm going to scrape this off so it'll be easier to get into next time, and leave it alone for a week. In about a week or so, this will be good to either upsize or send it to my let it go to my customers. So so far so good. As you can see, it's about, what is it, about 4:30 in the afternoon. Still working gloveless. That's part of the assessment. If you can work this time of day gloveless, the bees are not bothering you. These are pretty nice bees, full of potential for the summer.